Have you ever felt like your financial data is trapped in a maze? You know it's there, holding valuable information about your spending habits and financial health, but you can't quite seem to access it in a way that actually helps you. This data siloing is a major pain point in the financial world. It makes it difficult for you to get a holistic view of your finances, and it hinders companies from creating innovative financial products and services tailored to your specific needs. That's where Flinks comes in. But before we dive into the specifics of what they do, let's take a step back and ask a fundamental question. What is Flinks' mission? Flinks doesn't have a one-sentence mission statement in the traditional sense. Instead, their core values and purpose are laid out in their aptly named Flinks Constitution. This document reveals a company on a mission to revolutionize the financial landscape through data. Here's the crux of it. Flinks wants to organize the world's financial data to connect consumers with services they love. Imagine a world where your financial data isn't locked away, but instead seamlessly flows between your bank accounts, budgeting apps, and investment platforms. This open and secure data exchange is what Flinks is striving for. But why is this so important? Think about it. With a clearer picture of your financial situation, you can make smarter budgeting decisions, explore personalized financial products, and ultimately achieve your financial goals faster. Flinks isn't just about empowering you, the consumer. They're also dedicated to helping businesses unlock the potential of financial data. By providing secure tools for data collection and analysis, Flinks allows companies to develop innovative financial solutions that cater to your specific needs and preferences. This open data ecosystem is a win-win for everyone involved. You get a more streamlined and personalized financial experience, while businesses can create products and services that truly resonate with you. Of course, with great data exchange comes great responsibility. Security and user consent are paramount for Flinks. Their technology ensures that your financial data is always protected and only shared with your explicit permission. So, how exactly does Flinks achieve this data liberation? Flinks acts as a bridge between financial institutions and businesses. They provide the tools and technology that enable secure and consent-based data sharing. This allows businesses to access your financial information, with your permission of course, to create a more holistic view of your financial health. This data can then be used to offer you personalized financial products, streamline loan applications, or even help you identify areas where you can save money. Flinks' impact goes beyond individual consumers. They're fostering a more dynamic and innovative financial industry as a whole. By breaking down data silos, they're paving the way for a future where finance is more accessible, efficient, and ultimately more empowering for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.